Hello everyone, Namaste, Tashi Palkhel and welcome back to my channel, Dorda Jesse Blog. It's me, Smiling Lama from Kora, and so happy Saga Dawa to everyone. And I'm sure I didn't need to tell about the Saga Dawa, so it's very especially in this month, yeah. So I'm sure I didn't need to tell many in here because I'm sure most of my subscribers will know about the Saga Dawa. Okay, so today I'm going to show you the video that is in our Tashi Palkhel Community Hall. It's near to our monastery. They have 7 days, like 1 week. Today they start, yeah, chanting Mani Mantra, and then the puja was led by our great venerable Lama Rapten, and then the chanting and Tibetan people and also our groom people will come, I'm sure, yeah, and then they all together and chanting, yeah, in this Saga Dawa month. And then after finish this mantra chanting the mantra for 1 week, and then we start our Nyungne retreat, fasting puja. So you can also join Nyungne puja in our the community hall, yeah. And then this year our Nyungne retreat will lead by our great acharya, venerable Khempo will lead this puja. So everyone, if you have a free of if you want to stay Nyungne retreat, it's just 8 days, so you can join with us, okay. And you can come in our monastery, and then you can you can join with us, yeah. Okay, I'm sure that's our the Tibetan people will come, yeah, because it's very near. And then so I just like just tell in here, so because most of they are watching my video, yeah. So okay, so Nyungne retreat, and then Nyungne retreat is start from uh, Tibetan Lunar, that is 7K, yeah, so 8. And then in English, in this coming Saturday, May 27, we start the Nyungne retreat. So please join with us. Okay, so today I just want to tell about this, and then lastly I just want to say thank you so much to the Nyungne, the manager, staff, and then also the cook and everyone's, yeah. So it's really rejoice to you all, and Buddha always and cherishing always bless to you all, because it's very difficult, but it's they do and their hard work. So everything, I'm sure, because everyone know that the Nyerpa is best, yeah. And then the Nyerpa, the president, Mr. Autapala, so he will, I'm sure, explain in Tibetan language. And so if you are Tibetan, so you can listen that Nyungne, that President Autapala will explain about this Nyungne and then mantra, about this kind of, yeah. So in this especially. So okay, so now I want to stop. I think I talked many today. Please don't mind, yeah. So I need to explain, yeah. So if explain, then it's very easy. And actually, yeah, I speak in English because I'm sure my most of Dharma friends also there from English, Singapore, in Malaysia and Europe. So I need to speak English is better because it's a international language, and I'm sure Tibetan people will know the English, and also my Nepali friends, they also know the English. So that's why I dropped English, okay. So okay, so once again, happy Saga Dawa, and do more Dharma, okay, and see you, and then I'm going to show you, okay, bye bye.
Troma
Okay guys, so just now I finished to take photos and videos in here, and then so there are 1 week, so they are chanting Mani home, and then the puja is also led by Venerable Lama Rapten, and then so I really happy or appreciate to our Tashi Palkhel Community camp people, and also some of the guru there. Many people came here, so I just want to say rejoice to you all. And then so okay, so next, so I want to show you that is our Shogunla, and then some lamas are preparing for upcoming Nyungne retreat, yeah, Saga Dawa Nyungne retreat. So I'm going to show you just a short video. They are preparing Troma like this, and then so okay, now I'm going to show you. Okay, see. Okay guys, so that's all for today video. Thank you so much everyone who watched this video. And then so in the last video, that is they are preparing for the upcoming Nyungne, and then Nyungne retreat fasting puja. Nyungne will start May 27 in the evening, 3 p.m. yeah, they will start. And so if you have time, so join with us. Okay, and then see you in next video. Jai Buddha, bye bye.